Greeting to all of my fans, and next tutorial is about removing the seam line and giving final line. Of course, everything will be cheap and easy. Let's enjoy this video together with us, Alice Kingdom.
Hello, this is me, Mr. Alice. I've been doing Gunpla since 2011 and I will share all about Gunpla with you.
I will use this old Gunpla of high grade RGM79. As you can see in the image from the manual, how beautiful this Gunpla, so magnificent. But in the reality, this is the result if you just straight build this Gunpla. This is just making my eyes bleeding. So many seam lines here and here. Let's make it outstanding even without painting it. A part 1 of this cheap and easy build your Gunpla tutorial, you can see the link in the description below. If you already built your Gunpla, open all parts which have a seam line, and then cut diagonally male part of the peg. Next, loosen up these female parts of the peg. You can use whatever you want. In my case, I just use cutter. We do this to make sure there will be no gap between the part which will be removed its seam line. Next, it's time to apply the plastic cement. Any kind of cement and brand doesn't matter as long as it has property to melt the plastic. Apply the cement evenly on the surface of the part which to be removed its seam line. Make sure the entire surface that will be attached is smeared with cement. Do it also for the other part surface. After that, put the two parts together. Apply pressure. You will see the plastic melt that appears. Take it easy because this is a good thing, which means the plastic surface will stick together once it dries. To be more sure, give constant pressure to the part with whatever you have. This time I use a rubber band to keep this part in position until it's completely dry. Let the part at least 2 hours to dry completely. You can work on other parts while waiting. After drying, the next step is to remove the melt plastic by sanding. For more detail on the sanding method, please go to video part 1. If you did all the steps correctly, this is the result. Let's compare it with the part that hasn't been sanded. There are tips from me. If you want intended to proceed to the paint stage, don't use super glue. I purposely give example of result when using this type of glue. Even though the seam line is gone, it will leave a mark because super glue acts as an adhesive. It doesn't melt the plastic, but if you want to proceed to the paint stage, feel free to use it because this glue dries faster. Next, we go to the panel line drawing stage. Actually, there are many methods, but this time what I'm using is a pencil because it fits our chip tip. Always use a pencil with a very sharp tip so that the result are better. When it's a little dull, sharpen it again. The sharp tip of the pencil really helps give line in the narrow panel line gap. To be honest, I don't like to use the Gundam line marker because I think the tip is too big. Next time, I will discuss another method of drawing panel lines. Repeat this method on another part. When it's finished, we reassemble our gunpla. You can see the result. Even if without painting, you can already have an amazing gunpla.
After you watch this video, please try it by yourself, because no matter how much knowledge you have, no matter expensive tools you have, if you never try, everything will be useless. Goodbye, and we will meet again in my next video. Ali's greeting.